Hello, my name is Maria Gould, and I would just love to share with you, did you know you have special gifts? That the energy of creation, God, Creator, gave you gifts. Many people kind of overlook that and have a hard time believing that, but everybody has these gifts. You know that gut feeling that you have about something, and if you don't follow that gut feeling, it never turns out the way it should? That's one of your gifts. Okay? Also, sometimes you'll have a knowing if the phone rings or you get a text and you have a knowing of who it is before you even look. Again, that intuition is a gift. That's a gift from your Creator. If you ever see in dreams that seem to happen, that's a gift. Okay? Or if you feel very deeply, and sometimes if a friend is upset, you can feel it as if it is happening to you. Again, another intuitive gift. So we all have these gifts, but sometimes they can feel really overwhelming for many of us. I was born with a gift of feeling what other people felt. I got very confused, thinking that all of my thoughts and feelings were mine, and I would have so many conflicting thoughts and feelings that I felt a little bit crazy for a while, until I started to understand that this was my intuitive gift. I was an empath. I was feeling things from people around me, and it wasn't necessarily mine. So if you would be interested in developing your intuitive gifts and learning and understanding them in a deeper way, I have found a technique called Theta Healing that has been tremendously helpful for me. And I use my gifts, and I've fine-tuned my gifts. I'm no longer overwhelmed by my gifts. And I help people every day. I get the honor of witnessing the energy of creation's healing in people every day around the world. You can learn this gift as well. You can hone these skills, and that is why the Creator gave them to you. These skills and gifts are actually to help you, help yourself, and help others. But if we're overwhelmed with them because we don't know or understand them, it can be too much for us. We can feel shut down and scared to be in the world and overwhelmed a lot of the time. But I promise you, Theta Healing can offer a way for you to understand yourself deeper, to love yourself deeper, to love your connection with the energy of all that is, the Creator, God, in a deeper way, so that you can share this love that you came to this planet to share. If you feel a deeper calling, that your life has more purpose, but you just haven't found it yet, and if this video resonates with you, I encourage you to check out my website. Check out Theta Healing. You can start with a session, but if you're called to really learn more, there is the basic class which teaches you some of the fundamentals of the Theta Healing technique. We teach you how to connect into the Theta Healing brainwave, the energy of creation. We teach you how to use your intuitive abilities to ask creation to show you what's going on in people's bodies, in their lives, and to witness through God's guidance how to help heal them. It's amazing. And remember, we're not the healers. Our gifts are used to listen to Creator and witness Creator's healing for others, for ourselves. Okay? So it's profound work. I love doing it. I love sharing it. I get so excited to speak about it. So if you're intrigued, feel free to message me and ask more questions, or check out my website at mariagould.com. Check out the class coming up in September, the end of September, September 23rd, 24th, and 25th. See if it resonates with you. Watch for more videos. I have a few videos talking about theta healing and what cool things you can actually learn with your guests. So thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. And again, have a beautiful day. It was great to connect with you.